Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to book Uber in the UK. If you want to book an Uber cab in the UK, it's quite simple. All you need to do is tap on enter pickup location on the top of your screen with the search bar over here. Of course, you need to be signed into your account, so tap on this and then just enter the location where you want to go. Of course, you're going to have your pickup location first. So for example, let's go New Market, for example. Right there you go, and then you're just gonna choose where you want to go next. For example, you want to tap on, say, this one, and then you're just gonna choose which type of Uber you want to choose. For the most part, you want Uber X, and after that, it's pretty much a very straightforward process on how to book. Same process of how to book an Uber, just like in anywhere else in the world. After that, of course, you need to have a payment method. You'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.